Imagine getting your hands on an entire store's worth of craft supplies. I just did, and we're opening bin number 33. Oh, we're starting off with a couple of paper pads, or I guess one. This one is a sketch pad. There was a whole bin of these. They sold pretty much instantly. I have no idea where they went, so I'm hoping we find more. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. Oh, this is so cute. A beach girl is born with a love of the ocean in her soul. She only trades her flip-flops for sand between her toes. Warm sun and sea breezes take her to her happy place. Summer can never be long enough, and when it's over, she's dreaming of summers to come. This is literally me and my best friend. Words to live by. But yes, I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin, and we recently bought an 80-year-old crafter's entire collection of craft supplies. It has been an absolute joy going through everything. I mean, it's always an adventure, always something new and exciting, and we're just a little over halfway through the series, so there's still a ton more to go. This bin looks like we're going to have some dies and stamps and paper punches, so I'm very excited to kind of dig through here. If you don't know what a metal die is, a lot of people have been asking. You use them to cut shapes out of paper and cardstock, and they're really popular. Oh, this one fell out of somewhere. I'll set it aside until I can find where. They've been really popular in our shop, and I'm obsessed with them, so it's been really fun to find all of these, as well as stamps. And she was storing a lot of her stuff in CD cases, which is really clever, like a great way to kind of keep track of everything that you have. Most of these were in fabric bins though, so this must have just been a couple of stragglers left over, but lots of beautiful designs there. Oh no, there's definitely some more. Ooh, that one's like a giant snowflake. That one's some different borders. Ooh, that's like a whole background. Wow, look at these. Very intricate, very pretty, very fun to work with. Okay, here's a ton more as well. Oh my gosh, these are literally one of my favorite things. I'll have to go through and see if there's a couple I want to keep. I try not to take too many of these unless they're super hard to find, but these type of just intricate frames and such, I already have quite a few, so these are all going to be available. We do have this new thing we're doing called the bin of the day. So if you see a video the following 2 days, we have a special section in our shop where you can go and look for the things from that video, so you don't have to scour the entire store. After those 2 days, they get mixed in with everything else, so make sure to get here early if you see something you want. This is a whole bag of rotary cutters and replacement tools. I'm not a big rotary cutter fan, but I know lots of people are, so that will be a nice find for sure. I really like my paper trimmers. I don't cut fabric or anything else, so my little Fiskars trimmers work just perfectly for me. This one looks like a little mix bin. Oh, we've got some foam pads for some of those blenders. This is a permanent marker. Ooh, I wonder if she made these. A really pretty butterfly and a dragonfly. I feel like every time we find a butterfly, there's a dragonfly right behind. Some paper punches, which I see a ton more in here. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Some snowflakes. Pretty much every bin has had something to do with Christmas. A lot of them have been just like fully Christmas, but this one just has a little nods here and there with some flowers and snowflakes. Ooh, this is just some costume jewelry. We sold a ton of this as well, but that one's really pretty. It looks like fake sapphires, which is my birthstone. Very cute. Another butterfly. Okay, this just appears. Ooh, oh my gosh. This appears to be paper. I was hoping that was something she made. We keep wanting to find things that she made, but this is just a Hallmark card. Super cute though, very inspirational. It's got like little gems. Very fun. Looks like it was a birthday card maybe to her, and a cute little lace doily. And then these are just, wait, it says, oh, they're envelopes that are lined with foil. I was like, foil? I don't see foil, the inside. So there's gold and silver. Kind of cute, kind of fancy. Don't see that very often. And, oh wait, these are envelopes too. Those are gigantic. Nice fuchsia. And then this is just some regular cardstock. Oh, we've got some glitter, some Martha Stewart coarse glitter. Very pretty. And a ton of paper punches. We've got some leaves there. This is a corner one with snowflakes. I love the corner punches. Some flowers. Those are little Christmas trees. And these just, they punch the shape out of paper. Very simple, just like a hole puncher, but you know, whatever the design is, like that cute little heart. And these are border punches, so they punch like the edge of the paper. There's a few more wedged down in here. I'm gonna try to dig them all out before we look at what I think are stamps. Oh. That doesn't feel like a paper punch. It's not. It's a Bob. Bob, what are you doing? Always causing trouble. And some cute little heart sequins by Doodle Loose. A couple more things down here. Some butterfly stamps. This is one of those multi-sided stamps, and it's got like a bunch of fans. That's really cute. A random glue stick. And I don't really feel anything else down here. So let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, they are stamps. Let's see the stamps now. This is going to be fun. Definitely, besides the metal dies, the stamps have also been my favorite things to go through. Ooh, this one says animals. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me get a little bend to throw these into. Aw, a cute little penguin with a scarf. A reindeer. Another reindeer. A bear wearing a Christmas sweater. I mean, of course. Why not? Aw, the bear's eating cookies with Mama Bear. Another, is that a reindeer or that must be a moose? I'm looking at these through the camera, so it's kind of hard to see. Oh, another little baby bear and Mama Bear. Look how cute. Those two are making snowballs. Ooh, beautiful deer. Oh my gosh, it's that cute little, what is it, a hedgehog? A hedgy joy. What an adorable little baby. Oh my gosh, and look at these little cuties as well. These are from Penny Black. There is a doggy, a little snowman, and maybe another hedgehog, and the cutest little penguin. I think these are animals too, so we're just gonna keep going. Oh my gosh, little Christmas piggies. Why are these so cute? That looks like some sort of cheetah, like a big kitty. Little penguin family with the baby in the bottom. Okay, this one's double-sided. On the back, we have some sweet bears. And on the front, we have bears with an igloo. Oh my gosh, those are precious. This one's got a truck and some doggies and a bear, some bears and snowmen. Another beautiful deer with those gorgeous antlers. Wow. Some really pretty Christmas ones. And the deer wood. Whoa, that is so enchanting and beautiful. This one looks like it was very well loved. I love seeing that they were used. You know, a lot of them are brand new. So when I see the ones that she was using, it's really cute. Aw, there's another kitty cat. Is that a puppy? I think that's a puppy. Oh, it's a moon and it says peace. And then, oh, this is a repeat, I think, of one we just saw. Okay, next it says berries. Very cute. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. I know I say this like every time we go through this, the stamps especially. I mean, this is literally a whole store's worth. This is enough to keep us stocked for a very long time. And I can't imagine one person ever being able to use all of these. So hopefully this will spread a lot of joy to a lot of people. Ooh, and these are birds and doves. Beautiful dove there. And there. I love birdies. I hope there's more than just doves in Christmas because I definitely need some more birdies in my collection. Some cute little owls. These are pretty. Oh, there's some ducks. That reminds me of Duck Hunt. Any old school Nintendo game players here? Winter Moments. It's a little wreath and some birds. Ooh, this one has the dies as well. Very cute. Oh, that's a nice one. It's a winter cardinal. It's a layering stamp. I love the layering stamps, and it has the die. That might be a fun one to play with. This has some more cute little animals. They're so adorable, little Christmas animals, and a repeat of the bigger birdies, and some more birds with a wreath, cardinals. Okay, this one doesn't seem to have labels, but they all seem to be from the same brand. Technique Junkies, and they are, I'll show the fronts, but they're like these rubber cling stamps. The first duty of love is to listen. Absolutely. You made me proud every day. You make me proud every day. Get your happy on. Recipe for the perfect Christmas cocktail. 2 parts naughty, 1 part nice. Be a pineapple. Stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet inside. Head up, crown on. That one's really pretty. Born to garden, forced to work. Welcome to the beach, the place where the salt lowers your blood pressure. Absolutely, words to live by. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. One must live, not just exist. I love that one. Think heaven for little girls. A decorative flourish. A small treble clef. Palm frond? I don't know how to say that. City watercolors. That's really cute. A hillside village. I love all the architecture ones. And there's our beautiful flying butterflies. Queen Anne's lace and wisteria. Oh, I love the wisteria one. Small snowflakes. Ornament. Pine cone. A kitty with a Christmas hat, of course. Why wouldn't there be? Pines. I love kitties so much. I don't know if I talk about my little boys, Finn and Sheldon, enough, but they're so stinking precious. And I miss them so much when I go to work. Like, my favorite thing is getting to go home and spend time with them and cuddle. I miss my little boys. They're growing so fast. They're going to be 2 this summer, and it doesn't feel like it's been that long. I want them to stay cute little babies forever. Let me know in the comments if you have any pets that you just adore. There's another little kitty. Oh, there's a puppy licking a kitty, and the kitty's like, no, don't touch me, you filthy dog. A tire track. Oh my gosh. Aw, a pretty butterfly and branch silhouette. Ooh, a goofus bird? I don't even know what that is. Posies panel. Advice from a sea turtle. Oh, we saw that sea turtle mug earlier. Swim with the current, be a good navigator, stay calm under pressure, be well-traveled, age gracefully, and spend time at the beach. Love it. Love it, love it. And there's the little sea turtle. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's got some beautiful fish and seashells and a lighthouse. Oh, beautiful moon and stars. That's absolutely gorgeous. Aw, some more sea life. It's a coral reef. And starfish. These are just so precious. A Valentine heart border. Ooh, some underwater borders. I love the poppy teapot. I love anything with teacups and teapots. A delicate bouquet. And a couple more here. Wow, this was such a fun bin. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning. Still lots more to come. See you in the next one.